In the day one of this skill development training program, we started very gently. Just you have created an account on github.com and a little more simple exercise, not doing much, and we will directly go for a workflow. I mean, in any organization, we will learn how we can involve most of its employee to get a job done. So because it is an organization, so a head office or the, let us say, for an institution, principal himself or office of the principal on behalf of principal will create some space on a computer somewhere to collect information related to a particular project, right? So that created space, we will call it repository, and this repository will be on a cloud. That computer will create it, we call it on cloud, right? So the office or head office will create a space where you can have all the information to be generated by all the employees. Now how we can contribute into that space? That means every employee should have a copy of that, right? So having a copy of that in our terminology, in our tool which we are discussing, is called fork, F-O-R-K. That means you need to fork, if you are permitted, that area which head office has created, you can fork it. Now what do you mean by fork like this? So in my opinion, you can visualize this, that your head office has created a cake or a pizza, and you can with the fork some bite for yourself and you can eat it. And beauty is that it is not only small piece which you can take in your own area, in your own mouth, what you can take whole pizza. So forking means taking someone else's work into your own area. That's the forking. And another beauty is that when you fork whole of the things into your area, still full pizza is available with the head office, and then other employees can also fork it. So in our context, fork mean getting a copy of work done by someone else into your own area. So that's what is meaning of the forking, right? So how to do that forking? You need to log into github.com, and then you can search, I mean, if here is a search, you can search work done by many others, those who have account on GitHub. And then if you search, there is a user gndc-ldh. So this is the user. In that user there are many repositories, and we are at the time viewing the repository www, which is a website project for GNDC Ludhiana. So you can go to this link. That link will be github.com/gndec-ldh, that's the username, then /www, which is the name of the repository. Then you can find on top right there is a icon fork. So you click on this. If you click on this, this will be copied into your own area. So that will be the forking. So our first step will be fork someone other's work that will bring that work into your area. So that is a forking. Now it is lying on a cloud, but in your own area. Your head office have his own area, so they have created there. Then you have fork, that means copied from there to in your area. Both these are on the cloud, right? Now next you are to clone it. Meaning of the clone is you are to bringing your own work on the cloud, which might be copied from someone else's work that you forked from your head office area, but it is now in your area. So you can bring your own area's work on your computer. To bring on your computer, you need to use the GitHub desktop software on your laptop or desktop. There you will find list of all your repositories, your own created or forked from someone else, but that will be in your area. Then you can clone that. It means it will bring that into your own local machine, your own local computer. Then you can see for any repository to version of that. One, you can see it on the browser on cloud. Other, you can see on your local area or your local hard disk. Browse, see through local folders, see all the files, browse. You can change, you can contribute, you can create new files, and then you need to update your own area on the cloud, right? So those things we will discuss later. For the moment, you fork gndc-ldh with project www, fork it, it will be on cloud in your area, then you clone it, then from clone you explore it, make changes. Changes mean you are to like make your own profile, right? And we are going to create a website which have profile of each and every one. So you create your own profile, then you will be saving it on your local computer. Then we will need to learn how to update your version, your area on the cloud. Then from your area from cloud you will be able to update your head office copy. So that's how this workflow will work on, and at every moment we will keep a track then who made which change. Thank you very much for listening, and you should know fork and clone. Thank you very much.